cleansing balms recommended by you. This one's the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and this one's the Body Shop Chamomile Cleansing Butter. I'm going to put this one on this side and this one on this. Now I've had makeup on all day and my lipstick has come off, but I'm gonna put some on now for the sake of this video. This will do for the video. I look ridiculous. This one's the Clinique one. Oh, this is really messy. I don't know how to do this without. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't see. That's this side. Do the other side. I think the Body Shop one does a much better job at taking off eye makeup in my personal experience. What do you think?